Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to separate the hour and minute from time in MS Excel. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the MS Excel file and here you can see some of the times in this particular column time. Okay, suppose if you want to separate the particular hour and minute from this time means, so what you can do is like you can use the formula how is equal to hour, open the bracket, and here you can select this particular time, then you can close the bracket. So here you can see the hour is separated from this particular time. Okay, so similarly you can drag it till wherever you want, and here you can see all the hour is separated from this particular time. Okay, suppose if you want you can add some of the other time as well, like 18. So here you can see the hour is separated, and I will add some other time 23, 20. So here also the hour is separated from this particular time. Okay, and now suppose if you want to separate the minute from this particular timings. So what I will do is like here I will just try to make it as some 14 minutes. Okay, so let's make it as 18 minutes. Okay, so now I will try to separate the minute from this particular time. So for that what you can do is like is equal to minute and open the bracket, select this particular time, then close the bracket. So here you can see the minute is separated from this particular time. Okay, so similarly you can drag it till wherever you want, and all the minute has been separated from that particular time. Okay, and suppose if you want for second means you can do for second as well. Second is equal to second, open the bracket, then select this particular time, then close the bracket. Okay, so similarly you can drag it till wherever you want. Okay, so this is how you can separate the hour, minute, and second from the time column. Okay, and suppose if you are given hour, minute, and second, if you want the exact time to be merged with the hour, minute, and second means for that, what you can do is like let's try to include the time column, and here we'll use the formula is equal to time, and here we'll select hour, comma, minute, comma, second. Okay, so now let's try to close this bracket. So here you can see the 2:18 p.m. Similarly, we'll try to drag it till wherever we want. Okay, so here you can see the hour, minute, and second has been merged, and here you can see the exact time. Okay, so initially we saw the time and we separated the hour, minute, and second from it. And finally, we saw like if we have a minute, hour, and second, like how we can make it as a time using those columns. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.